In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS5 controller stick drift. If you're using your controller and you're noticing it drifting without using or touching the analog sticks, there's a couple steps you can do to try and fix that. Now, this first step is the one that I've seen work the most for people, and it just involves using the analog sticks. Now, this might be a temporary solution, so you may need to do this multiple times over a few months. So you can do this now, and if it works, then continue to use it. If you have more issues, then come back to this. So first, we're going to take the joysticks, or these analog sticks, and we're going to rotate them clockwise for a few seconds. You can do it up to 10 seconds. And then we're going to rotate them back the other direction for about 10 seconds. Now, the reason we're doing this is trying to dislodge or move any debris that might be in the controllers. And then click in on the joysticks, so R3 and L3, press in, and then do that again while holding it in, rotating it clockwise for 10 seconds. And then rotating it counterclockwise for 10 seconds. And then hopefully that is able to at least fix the stick drift temporarily. And then if you're having any other issues, you might be able to get a Q-tip with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and then clean around the controller. Be careful not to get water or liquids inside the controller. And then if you're also still having any issues, there's this reset button on the back. So go ahead, get a small toothpick or paperclip, and then hold that down for 10 seconds to try and reset the controller. So hopefully that was able to help you fix your PS5 controller stick drift. If you're having any other issues, it might even involve, dismantling the controller and trying to fix it yourself. That's going to be much more challenging. I don't recommend that. Hopefully that worked. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.